Now let's talk about how to create a stream-enabled class. We're going to create a class that can be read from a stream and written into a stream. Let's say we're going to use struct for the purpose of simplicity. And dog has an integer age and a stream name. Now let's define the stream operators for the dog. First, let's define the output operator. OStream operator OStream SM. Note that we are using a non-member function to define the output operator, which is usually the preferred way to define stream operator for user-defined classes. Const dog. The second parameter is a const dog reference. And then we'll write something into the stream. SM my name is d.name and my age is d.age and L. And lastly, remember we need to return a reference to the stream. Return SM. Okay, in the main function we can create a dog d2 name is Bob. In case you don't know yet, here we are using universal initialization from C++ 11. And now if we run the program, it prints out my name is Bob and my age is 2. So this is how to define the stream's output operator for the class dog. Now let's define the input stream operator. iStream operator iStream SM and dog. Note that this dog is not a const because we need to read things from the string into the dog. And then SM d.age, SM d.name. And remember we need to return the stream by reference. And then in the main function we can create a dog from the standard input and then output the dog to the standard out. And now if we run the program, and we can enter age 5, name Gunner. It prints out my name is Gunner and my age is 5, which is printed out by this code. So this is how you create a class that is capable of being streamed. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos I have. See you next time.